Hello Bladers! If you're a car enthusiast, chances are your fondness started with racing games. It was either you were playing in an arcade beating someone else's top score, or you had your friends over at your house to play the newest racing game on your PlayStation. Regardless, this scenario was common for the majority of the boys growing up. And even as we get older, most of us are still fans of racing games. Some have even gone to the extent that they have monitored the release of every major game there is. If you belong to this group of people, then chances are you've already heard about the 3 most exciting racing games to be played at the comfort of your home this 2019. Welcome to our Daily Drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here is the list of 3 of the best racing games on PS4. Number 1, GT Sport. From the cool graphics to the insane variety of cars, there's no wonder why this game is selling like hotcakes. If you're looking for a range of dope cars, then the GT Sport is perfect for you. Number 2, Dirt Rally 2.0. If you're into motorsport games, then this game is for you. Though it might take you a while to figure out and get into the game, trust us when we say that once you've grasped it, we're sure that you won't be able to stop playing anymore. Number 3, Project Cars 2. If you're a bit nostalgic, then this game is for you. Project Cars 2 features a couple of old-school cars to the classics that will take you back to your childhood. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe at one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.